Imagine a place where relaxation, wellness, and community come together, all centered around a compassionate, plant-based lifestyle. Welcome to the world of vegan retreats in Australia, where every meal is a celebration of fresh, organic ingredients. These retreats are nestled in stunning natural locations like Noosa, Sydney, Queensland, and New South Wales. Each retreat promises a transformative experience, featuring activities such as yoga, meditation, and cooking workshops. Guests can also visit animal sanctuaries, fostering a deeper connection with nature and promoting sustainability. The philosophy behind vegan retreats is rooted in compassion for animals and ethical living. This compassionate approach is reflected in every aspect of the guest experience, from the food to the activities. Experts like Chef Osamu and Rico Uchino guide culinary and wellness programs, enhancing the overall experience. By embracing vegan principles, these retreats promote sustainability and the protection of our planet's resources. Vegan retreats in Australia offer a unique blend of healthy, wellness-oriented, and compassionate living. Accommodations like Stephanie's Country Cottages provide a serene retreat environment. Delicious vegan cuisine prepared with local and organic ingredients fosters a sense of community among guests. Activities such as yoga, meditation, and outdoor experiences emphasize relaxation and rejuvenation. Attending a vegan retreat offers numerous benefits, including enhanced wellness and opportunities for relaxation. These retreats provide the time and space necessary to focus on physical, mental, and emotional health. Community dining transforms each meal into an opportunity for connection and support. A vegan retreat differs from a traditional retreat by adhering to a plant-based philosophy. Participants enjoy gourmet vegan meals prepared with locally sourced organic ingredients. Activities may include plant-based cooking workshops and discussions about the environmental impact of meat consumption. Yoga and meditation retreats enhance physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Health and wellness retreats promote a holistic approach to well-being with energizing fitness classes and nutritional workshops. Cooking and nutrition retreats provide experiential learning opportunities focused on plant-based cuisine. Animal sanctuary retreats offer immersive experiences in compassion and ethical living. Eco-friendly retreats promote sustainable practices and encourage harmonious living with nature. At a vegan retreat, expect nutritious plant-based meals, mindfulness activities, and a connection with nature. Plant-based meals are crafted from organic, fresh ingredients, resulting in nourishing and delicious dishes. Mindful activities and workshops deepen understanding of wellness practices and foster community connections. A strong connection to nature is a key feature, with activities like bushwalks and outdoor meditations. The sense of community and support at vegan retreats is invaluable, fostering deep connections among guests. When choosing a vegan retreat, consider the location, accommodations, retreat schedule, and activities offered. The expertise of retreat leaders and instructors significantly influences the experience, enhancing learning and personal growth. Reviews and recommendations from past participants provide valuable insights, helping new guests make informed decisions.